21 days of Taxmas. We're going to go get started in a few minutes. Hey, if you are I'll say business owner, if you are a W-2 worker, but let's say you have a side hustle, as in you do DoorDash, you cut hair. Let's say you're a freelancer, you're a writer, you're a blogger. Let's say you're a realtor. If you are any type of independent contractor, if you sell online courses, digital products, if you're an affiliate marketer, this is for you. If you want to know how you can get a home office deduction, stay tuned, okay? We are going to give you all the great tips on how you can go ahead and run this play before the end of 2024 to maximize on getting the best deductions. And hi, my name is Kamaya Johnson. I'm the owner of the Tax Spa. Really excited to be able to be here during our 21 days of Taxmas. If you haven't already, look, let's go ahead and do the obvious thing, okay? And that's like and subscribe, okay? Like and subscribe. All right, let me go ahead and see here real fast. We're going to check this chat. Y'all, I figured out how to fix the audio, so we're good to go for the 21 day, which I'm excited. So I won't be before you very long. I try my best to make sure we get to the goods. And so we're going to be talking about, like I said, if you are let's say you're an author, let's say you're a freelancer of any kind, you're a blogger, you're a writer, you sell digital products, if you're an affiliate marketer, let's say you do things just like you're a realtor, right? Let's say you sell insurance, sell financial products. Guess what? You are going to be getting a 1099 at the end of this tax season, and you can run this play. And today we're going to be giving a tip talking all about getting a home office deduction, okay? And the home office deduction. Now, some of you, if you're like me, you love working from home, but you also like going to like, work at cafes and all these different places, and that's totally fine, no worries. You want to do that, but I highly suggest you run this play because you can get a really, really good deduction for doing this. Look, if you come on the live, say hi to me. I would love to be able to just shout you out. But if you have any questions, this is our Q&A time. Please feel free to ask your questions, okay? Feel free to ask your questions. We're going to talk about getting a home office deduction. So there's a couple stipulations, and we're going to talk about first. Hey, Sean, good to see you, my friend. So glad that you can be on. So let's talk about getting that home office deduction. If you ever DoorDash, if you cut hair, like I said, let's say you go wash people's cars, if you sell online products, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you have your own merch that you sell, if you're a realtor, if you sell insurance, this applies to you. And so what we're going to do is first, you need to have a home office, okay? You need to make a dedicated space in terms of for actually doing business for business purposes. And guess what? All of those expenses can be a write-off. So this looks like get a desk, get a computer, get the microphone, like all of this equipment that you need for doing content that a lot of you are doing. You need to go ahead and get it because it's a write-off. So I would highly suggest you do it before the end of the year. Go ahead and set that up. We're in the 17th. We're on the 17th, okay? So you have about 2 weeks to be able to claim that you use your business for home office, which is great. So you can go ahead and start doing this. Now, after you first, like I said, you have your home office, all right? Number 2 is now we need to be tracking those expenses. So if you didn't watch yesterday's video, go back and watch the video from day 1 because day 1 talks about how to categorize all your expenses and get that organized. And it's super easy. I gave you some really good tips on that, all right? Now, after you actually have your own office, all right, now you need to the expenses that you really need to look at is all the home-related expenses, right? Utilities, all right, internet, insurance, home insurance, renter's insurance. So what can happen is, let's just say you have a 3,000 square foot home. If you have a 3,000 square foot home you can literally write off a tenth of that. That can be, like, I'll say that square footage can be considered like 300 feet of that. I'll say you can put that towards your business, which is awesome. So if you have, I mean, and then literally we can back that up for the whole year. So if you're starting this month, we're going to be doing for this month, right? But if you've already been like me, you've had a home office for the whole year, all you have to do is you're calculating your expenses for, like, you're just taking all your regular expenses for your home, and then you're looking at how much square footage that you actually have. Now, I'm going to get into a play that's a little bit more of a high level, but this is something that I would highly suggest you do. And this could totally work, but you have to do it a certain way. Now, if you own your home, I don't mean rent, but if you own your own home, and there are just different situations, right? But if you own your own home, this is definitely for you. Now, for my S Corps and my C Corps, the only way you can get the home office deduction is that you have to have an accountable plan. And that's something that you need to get with us about so we can help you actually get that. But that's the only way that you'll be able to take a reimbursement on behalf of having a home office. But if you have your own home, there is a really good play that you could use. You can take for up to 14 days each month, okay, follow me, and you can rent out your home to your business, and that can be a deduction. So what does this look like? And for a lot of you that are doing retreats, that are doing conferences, you know, you have your own, like, you have a lot of these, like, just great, like, I'll say community events. This is a really good play. All right. So let's say for your home, and let's say you have a really nice size home, you have some space. Let's say for 2 weeks, like, you're actually going to be shooting and using it for podcasting, or you have like a content creation house, a content studio, or let's say you are going to host a retreat at your house. For those 2 weeks, that can actually be considered, you can basically rent your house out to yourself for a business, and that can be a write-off to yourself. So I know some of these things can get a little bit complicated, but that's why I urge you to definitely enter our 21-day giveaway challenge, all right? So all you have to do is go to our website, and I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get. We have an amazing treat for you. If you allow us to be able to all you have to do is go to our website, mytaxspa.com, book a call at mytaxspa.com. All you have to do is book a call, and you'll be entered to win. And let me tell you what you're going to enter to win right now. Okay? Stay tuned. Y'all, isn't that amazing? We are giving away a 7-day stay, 7-night stay to over 50 places throughout the world. I'm talking about, this includes Dubai and Bali, Rome. There's some amazing vacations that you can take part of, and all you have to do is get a part of, be on our calendar. You're going to go to mytaxball.com. You're going to enter. It's going to literally pop up. You're going to put your name in. You're going to submit. And guess what? You're also, not only are you automatically, once you put your information in, you're going to get an email. Check your spam folder just in case, but you're going to get an email, and all you got to do is book a call. Once you book a call with our team, you're going to be entered to win this trip. And guess what? You can stack on the ability to be able to have more entries with just referring someone. It's really simple. So you're going to put that in, and you're going to automatically be entered in our 21-day and you're going to get a lot of great resources sent to your inbox every day. And I mean, like, you'll get the document checklist that we just sent out yesterday. You're going to get, like I said, just so many great, like, juicy nuggets. And so that's one of the best things. I saw Chrissy on. Hey, Chrissy. Thanks so much for joining on. This is my sister in love. And so glad to see you on. But I highly suggest that y'all take advantage of this because, hey, who doesn't want to win like a free vacation somewhere? It's so simple. All you got to do is book a call with us. So if you are somebody, if you're a business owner and you want to look at getting a home office deduction, I will highly suggest you book a call with us, all right? Especially if you're an S Corp or C Corp. Guess what? You got to file in a certain type of way and fashion, and you have to have an accountable plan to take advantage of the home office deduction. Now, just for clarity, you can only take a home office deduction if you are working, like if you are a 1099 worker, self-employed, LLC, or if you're a freelancer, okay? If you're affiliate marketing, all of that applies as well. Most of us, we live in a gig economy now, so majority of us have a side hustle or some type of online business. And so definitely you can take part of this. And even if, let's say, you didn't make a lot of profit. Now, I get this all the time. Well, I didn't really make money in my business. Like, does that really count? I didn't really make money doing it. Absolutely. You can take a loss in business up to 3 years. But that's why I say get on a call with us so that we can just take a look at your situation and make sure, everything is up to par. Now, I'm just going to open it up. I'm going to see real quick if we have any questions, if anybody needs any help since we are live. And let me just take a look at this chat here. Hey, Sean. So good to see you, my friend. All right. Not a whole lot of questions. I guess I did a good job. So what we're going to be talking, like I said, every day we're going to be talking about different tax tips. Tomorrow we're really going to get into, like I said, we really talked about the home office deduction. Tomorrow we're going to get into if you have kids, if you have your own children, if they're a certain age, how you can get a write-off. Make it a family business, all right? Well, look, it's been an absolute pleasure. Happy 21 days of Taxmas. Look, we sing the little song, right? On the second day of Taxmas, the tax ball gave to me. Look, I'm a singer whether y'all knew it or not. The tax bar gave me the chance to enter to win a 7-day trip, and we gave you the play on how you can go ahead and get a home office deduction for this 2024 year for the 2025 tax season. Thanks so much for joining, y'all. Don't forget, go ahead, like, subscribe, and do me a favor. Share this video with at least 3 business owners that you know, 3 people that you love, and 3 people you don't love, all right? God said to love those that hate you, all right? So if you don't like a person, hey, still, trust me, you'll get it back in so many ways. Share this with at least 3 people. And until next time, thanks so much, and I hope you have a Merry, Merry Taxmas. All right, y'all. Take care.